Should get the extra large. Yeah. Extra large Jajangmyeon 2개 주세요. Yeah. Anything else? No. Hi guys. Pug Nation, welcome to Mukbang number 2. We are at a Jajangmyeon house. We just finished working out and I'm really hungry. I'm really looking forward to it. I got the extra large version and I got my friend a smaller version because I'm cheap. We're just waiting for the food now, so we'll see what happens. Bye. Done. Seeing the pork, the protein. I might be a mukbang famous YouTuber, but I also enjoy my protein for working out. Alright. Oh my god, how romantic. There's no one at the end, what the heck? Where's my lady? I would generally finish this, but there's no rice. You know, it's really nice being able to film these mukbangs because usually I can't eat anything as like carb dense as Jajangmyeon, but I do it for you guys. It's not for my pleasure, it's for you. So I will sacrifice once in a while to entertain you guys. But if you have anything else that you want me to go eat, probably burgers, then I will do it as my gift to you. Oh, I'm so full. But you guys know that I have 2 stomachs, so we're gonna get boba. Grab a lychee green tea, 50% sugar with lychee jelly. And then I also grab the passion fruit green tea with 25% sugar and also the jelly as well. The lychee jelly? Yeah. Alright. Would that be optional? Yes, sir. Alright, it's going to be 10 cents. Alright, you guys know the game where you blindfold yourself and then you do this thing, right? I got it, ready? Watch this.
Flashback.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
End of flashback.
Oh my god, let's get it. Thank you for watching, guys. Like I said before, if you have any other suggestions on what I should do for my next mukbang, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. But that's all I have for you guys today. Watch out, Taylor. See ya.